Welcome to this explainer on the science and future of human longevity. Today, we're diving into one of the most profound subjects in all of biology. It's a topic that literally touches every single one of us. Have you ever just stopped and wondered, why exactly do we grow old? I mean, it really is one of the great mysteries of biology, isn't it? So today, we're going to explore this fundamental question together. We're all pretty familiar with the contrast, right? When we're young, our bodies are constantly growing stronger, healthier. But as time passes, things change. We get gray hair, wrinkles start to show up. Our physical bodies just kind of get a bit weaker. It happens to absolutely all of us. But why? Section 1. Your cellular house. Okay, so to really understand aging, I want you to imagine that your body is like a house, and this house is built out of tiny living bricks. We call those bricks cells. Now, think about a real house sitting outside in the elements. Over time, the wind blows, the rain falls, the house faces this gradual, unavoidable wear and tear. Well, cell damage works exactly the same way. Every single day, just by living and generating the energy we need, our cells experience tiny bits of internal weathering and damage. So how does the body actually react to all this weathering? Well, luckily we have this incredible built-in repair system. It's kind of like having a super dedicated homeowner constantly patching a leaky roof or, touching up chipping paint. Every day, the body scrambles to make these repairs. But here's the catch. No repair system is totally perfect. Sometimes a patch isn't quite right, or a little debris gets left behind. And over decades, those slightly imperfect repairs really start to add up. Slowly, our cellular house loses some of its structural integrity, and it starts to show its age. Section 2. Telomeres, the fading blueprint. Alright, so inside every tiny cell in your body, there are these even tinier structures called telomeres. You can think of them as the master blueprints of your cellular house. They hold the vital instructions to keep the whole thing standing strong, and they make sure the house can divide correctly to build new bricks. Basically, they act like protective caps. Picture the little plastic tips on the ends of your shoelaces that keep them from fraying. That's exactly what telomeres do for our cellular DNA. And this aging process, it unfolds in a pretty predictable way. First, your cells divide to make new cells. That's normal. But every single time a cell divides, those master blueprints, the telomeres, they actually get just a tiny bit shorter. It's almost like a photocopy, losing its crispness every time you copy it. Eventually, the blueprint gets way too short, and the cell's function just fails. It can't divide properly anymore. And when enough of these cellular building blocks fail, well, that's when the physical signs of aging really start to show up on the outside. Section 3. Healthy habits slow aging. Now, the good news here is that we are absolutely not helpless in this process. Scientists have found we can actively slow down the aging of our cellular house. We're talking about the basics: healthy eating, regular exercise, getting good sleep, and avoiding smoking. These 4 habits basically act as your essential daily maintenance tools. Good sleep, for instance, actually lets your house clear out cellular waste, while exercise keeps the energy systems running smoothly. By using these tools, you're helping your body's repair system do a much better job for a much longer time. Section 4. The future of longevity. Which brings us to the ultimate million-dollar question. Can humans stop aging completely? Can we just keep our cellular house perfectly maintained forever with absolutely zero wear and tear? Just take a second and really ponder that possibility. Well, right now, the simple scientific answer is no. Despite all of our incredible modern advancements, scientists just haven't figured out a way to make us live forever. The natural, steady wear and tear on our cellular house, it just can't be completely stopped. But hang on, because there is some incredibly good news on the horizon. Researchers are constantly developing brand new medicines and advanced technologies. Think of these like high-tech structural upgrades for our cellular house. We're talking about new tools that can literally clear out failing cells or massively boost our natural repair systems. And because of these incredible advances, people are already living longer, healthier, and more vibrant lives than at any other point in human history. So, yes, aging definitely remains one of science's greatest mysteries. But as this research continues, the future might just bring discoveries that completely change how humans grow old forever. I really hope this explainer helped you understand that amazing house you live in. Keep learning and keep wondering about that incredible machine that is your body.